if you believe it's possible. Magandang araw guys. Ito po si Win the Dreamer na nagsasabing panalo ang mapangarapin. Good vibes lang tayo guys. Thanks for watching. If you believe it's possible. Ito po si Win the Dreamer na nagsasabing panalo ang mapangarapin. Halina't mag-apply at maging isang tok-tok rider o driver. Malay mo, nandito na ang Ascense mo. Guys, pakinggan natin sila Boss Curl at Boss Jo. Magandang araw guys. Ito po si Win the Dreamer na nagsasabing panalo ang mapangarapin. Good vibes lang tayo guys. Ito po si Win the Dreamer na nagsasabing panalo ang mapangarapin.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. Yes, sir. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it gives me worth. Every smile she makes me smirk. Yes, sir. It gives me chills, it makes me blush.
Guys, pakinggan natin sila Boss Curl at Boss Jo.
Good day mga katoktok!
Hello mga katoktok, kamusta kayong lahat?
Excited kami ngayong araw na to ni partner kasi kung maalala nyo, meron tayong isang poging tok-tok rider partner na nag-trending na ang pangalan is Omar.
Si Omar.
Si Omar, diba? And ang magandang balita, mamimit natin sa today.
Saka maraming salamat sa lahat sa inyo na patuloy na nag-comment, nag-share ng video at natulungan kami na mahanap si Omar, yung poging tok-tok rider natin.
And alam namin na thousands lahat ang nagtulong-tulong. Alam namin libo-libo kayo nag-share at umabot si Omar ng million views.
Tama.
And hindi ko makakalimutan yung ngiti na yon, yung parang ngiting tagumpay yun eh.
Oo. Saka maganda pa yung pare yung sikat na kanta, sabay na sabay din sa ngiti niya.
Anong sikat yun eh? Anong lyrics yun?
Yung lyrics nun,
I
love the way she makes me smile. And she makes me smart.
Kanta yung mga partner.
Okay na yun. Pagka nakalimutan. Pag mali man yung lyrics namin, itama nyo na lang. Ayos na po yun.
pero huwag kayong maingay kasi may surprise kami sa kanya ngayon.
Tama.
Wala siyang idea. Basta i-meet lang namin siya. Ang sabi lang namin, i-greet namin siya kasi nag-trending siya. Pero in reality, excited kami kasi pasisiyahin namin siya today.
Meron kaming sorpresa sa kanya. Kaya samahan niyo kami na i-meet natin.
Halika na!
Tara!
She makes me smile. Yes, sir. I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smile. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, nag-aantay na siya ngayon. Pupuntahan na namin siya. And excited kaming dalawa ni partner.
Omar! Kamusta ka, Omar? Liga! Tok-tok ka! Kamusta ka? Kamusta biyahe?
Sikat ka na!
Sikat ka sa TikTok ah.
Naka 1 million views ka. Alam mo ba itong brand na to?
Alam mo to?
Inmax po. Sikat ba to?
Opo sir, magandang klase pa kasi yan sir.
Bakit maganda to?
Pampogi ba to? Pampogi?
Yan sir, karamihan nakikita ko sir na mga motor.
Gusto mo yung ganito? Gusto mo?
Gusto ko kung magkaipon, gusto ko makabili.
Type po?
Opo.
Sige, huwi mo na.
Oo.
Ito po.
Para sa iyan.
Thank you sir. Thank you ng marami sir. Thank you po.
Huwag kang umiyak.
Kailangan pogi ka lang palagi.
Hindi mo kami girlfriend.
Steady, tapos lalagyan natin ng ano.
Omar, nanalo ka! Nanalo ka ng jacket! Soto!
Yun, no? Halina't mag-apply at maging isang tok-tok rider o driver. Malay mo, nandito na ang asenso mo.
Tok-tok.
If you believe, it's possible. Motivational tips mula kay Boss Jonathan.
Hi guys! I'm gonna share something to you. 5 tips on how to become a millionaire. Number 1, hard work. Guys, kailangan talaga ng sipag. Hindi talaga pwedeng tatamad-tamad. Number 2 guys, do not complain. Marami kasi sa atin, mahilig mag-complain eh. Konting bagay lang nahirapan, complain agad. Number 3 guys, be persistent. What do I mean by that? Pag nadapa ka sa struggles mo, bangon ka lang ulit. Nadapa ka ulit, bangon ka ulit. That's part of life. And number 4 guys, be friendly. Why am I saying this? Kasi guys, hindi mo kayang mag-isa. Lahat tayo kailangan ng taong tutulong sa atin. And 5th, ang pinaka-important sa lahat, magdasal ka. Kasi walang kwenta lahat ng sinabi ko kung hindi ko marunong magdasal. Dasal-dasal din pag may tayo. Again, have a great day. For more motivations and more tips, just follow me. Bye!
If you believe, it's possible. Ito po si Win the Dreamer na nagsasabing panalo ang mapangarapin. Good vibes lang tayo guys. Thanks for watching. Magandang araw guys. Share ko lang po sa inyo yung business ko at sana po magustuhan nyo guys. Dumako po tayo sa shop link po guys. Una kong i-share ay Copper Mask. Sana guys panoorin nyo ito guys.
Copper Mask has been the talk of the town due to its popular demand and the increase of usage from different celebrities and political personalities. And because we want nothing but the best for you, we give you the newest and improved version of the first and 100% original Copper Mask, the Copper Mask 2.0. I know you are all excited to see Copper Mask 2.0, so let's start. As you can see, compared to our box before, we have changed its color into black. Now, let's see what's inside. We have here 1 piece of the new and improved Copper Mask antimicrobial film layer, 10 pieces non-woven fabric filters, 2 pieces elastic bands, and also our new addition 2 pieces seal stickers and 8 pieces Copper Mask colored logo stickers. Now, let's assemble it. For our new and improved Copper Mask, we will show you how to put the stickers first. Fold the Copper Mask in half. Make sure it's aligned. Then put the seal sticker on the upper part and also on the bottom part. Next, put the Copper Mask logo stickers on both the upper left and upper right side of the mask. After that, you can now place a piece of non-woven fabric filter inside the Copper Mask antimicrobial film. Finally, put the elastic string on both sides and adjust it depending on your preference. Now, let's get to the most exciting part. Let's design our Copper Mask with our colored logos. We will give you some ideas on how you can put these colorful stickers. We called it the Classic Styles. If you don't have the spare time to think of and assemble your Copper Mask design, no worries. You can still use your Copper Mask just like before. We call this one the Original. Second, the Army Style. With this design, you can show your game face on even with a mask. You can simply place 2 different colors in both the upper left and upper right of the mask depending on your liking. The third one is what we called Wildcats. Unleash your inner beast. Design your mask by putting all the available colored logos on both sides of the mask. And lastly, Create your own style. Express yourself. Style your cover mask with any design that comes up to your mind and show us your creativity. And it's done! You can now finally use the newest version of cover mask. Experience not only its antimicrobial properties, but also its unique and stylish physical appearance. So hurry! Don't miss a chance to get your own cover mask 2.0. Place your orders now at www.coppermask.ph/order now.
Magandang araw guys! Guys, pag gusto nyo pong order ng copper mask, bumisita lang po kayo sa FB account ko. Ito po yung shop link ko, www.coppermask.ph/ordernow/PPS159487769. Salamat po! Halina't mag-apply at maging isang tok-tok rider o driver. Malay mo, nandito na ang asenso mo. Thanks for watching!
Magandang araw! Alam kong gusto mo rin kumita na hawak mong oras mo. Dito sa TokTok, posible! Simple lang maging TokTok rider. Tuturuan kita kung paano. Mag-register online sa www.toktok.ph at i-click ang Become a TokTok Rider. Sagutan ang mga kinakailangang detalye. Importanteng tama ang lahat ng detalye na ilalagay mo. Lalo na ang iyong mobile number dahil ito rin ang gagamitin mo sa iyong TokTok Rider app. Huwag kakalimutang i-upload ang iyong driver's license at ORCR at ilagay ang verification code. I-check kung tama ang lahat ng detalyeng nilagay mo at i-click ang submit. Sa loob lamang ng 24 hours ay makakatanggap ka ng text confirmation kung ang iyong application ay approved. At kapag approved ka na, maaari mo nang i-download ang TokTok Rider app sa Google Play at simulan mo nang kumita kasama ang TokTok. Hawak mo na ang oras mo at kung magfu-full-time ka pa sa TokTok, maaari kang kumita ng 1,500 pesos o higit pa sa isang araw. Tandaan, siguraduhing tama ang lahat ng detalye na iyong ibinigay dahil ito ang gagamitin para sa iyong TokTok Rider app. Babangon tayo at kakatok para maghatid ng ngiti, mga katoktok.
Napakagandang product guys. Yan po mga ipinagbibili ng JC. Pagkano po guys, magtungo lang po kayo sa shop nito. www.jcshop.ph. Guys, ito po yung shop link ko guys, www.jcshop.ph. order now, PPS 15948-769. yan po yung referral ID ko guys. Po, meron pa yan ito po ang isang K-Kind. Ayan, manoodin natin guys. Ito maganda to, maganda yung product na to. Napakagandang product guys. Gawa ng pinagbibili ng JC guys. Produkto na galing dyan sa JC. Diba? Maganda yung product na yan guys. Guys, pagka gusto nyo pong umorder dyan guys, pumunta lang po kayo sa Arin Mariana Shopping, sa account ko. Ito po yung i-click nyo, www.jcshop.ph. order now, PPS 15948-769. yan po yung referral ID ko guys. Maka-order ng ganyan. if you believe it's possible. Ito po si Win the Dreamer na nagsasabing panalo ang mapangarapin. Good vibes lang tayo guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, pag gusto nyo pong umorder ng copper mask, pumisita lang po kayo sa FB account ko. Ito po yung Shopee ko, www.coppermask.ph/ordernow/PPS159487669. Salamat po. Thanks for watching. Good vibes lang tayo guys. Ito po si Win the Dreamer na nagsasabing panalo ang mapangarapin. If you believe it's possible. Good vibes lang tayo guys. Ito po si Win the Dreamer na nagsasabing panalo ang mapangarapin. Thanks for watching. If you believe it's possible. Good vibes lang tayo guys. Ito po si Win the Dreamer na nagsasabing panalo ang mapangarapin. Hanggang sa muli, thanks for watching.